Good morning. We're waking up. Are we waking up? It's rainy outside. It's getting chilly outside. We love it. It's fall. It's time for fall. So this is Booney and I'm Ketch. If you haven't met us, welcome to our video. We're gonna do a cooking video today. We're excited. It's fall and we love apple cider and we love donuts, and we thought we're gonna put them together today and make an apple cider donut cake. Does that sound good? Is that like real happiness? We're gonna see real happiness when you're eating it. You like feed it to me and then I'll show you how. Yeah, good. All right, well, let's get started. You ready? Ready to get started? Okay, so we have a yellow cake mix, eggs, cinnamon, vanilla. We'll put the recipe at the end of the video so you can, if you like it, you can make it too. Apple cider, applesauce, vanilla, so all the yummy things. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. All right, so we're gonna dump it in. Oh, you wanna smell it? Yes. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. You wanna smell it? Just kidding. You wanna smell it? Okay. Applesauce, so we're using applesauce instead of oil. What do you think about that? Applesauce? Yummy applesauce. All right, I'm gonna get your spoon for the applesauce. Let's do it. Let's have a little, we'll eat while we're, look, we'll eat while we're cooking because it's really fun like that. That makes you happy. That's right, that makes me happy. Yeah, yum, 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 yum. Okay, and what else? Water and applesauce and eggs. And what else? Vanilla. A teaspoon of... Oh, you wanna smell this? Apple cider. Uh-oh, I spilled it. Ooh, I spilled it. They're gonna call me the messy chef. Catch the messy chef. Catch the messy chef. Catch. You want me to put a little bit of cinnamon? Look. Peace, there's some. Oh, the cinnamon. I put cinnamon. You waking up? You trying to go to sleep? You can't go to sleep? Because look, I put cinnamon and sugar in your applesauce too. It's yummy. We were supposed to taste cherries today. I'm making a face. You didn't like it. You didn't like it. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. You didn't like it. It's not good. I'm sorry. All right, we're back and we're all mixed up. We're all mixed up. Well, our batter, it's all mixed up. And we have our favorite spatula. Because I love you, Booney. I love you, Booney. You like it? Okay, so we're gonna pour this in. Our oven is set at 350. All right, and now we wait. Oh, we're back. We're back. They caught us eating. Okay, they caught you eating. They caught you eating. They caught me feeding you. All right, we're gonna make the icing glaze for our cake. So when it comes out of the oven, it'll be all ready for the icing glaze. So it's 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I did not measure this out. 1 cup of powdered sugar. Let's measure it like this. I have it in a baggie, but unmeasured. Actually, let's just do this. All right, so 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 of a cup of our apple cider. We're gonna grab a spoon and we're gonna mix this up. You wanna see it? Ooh, does that look yummy? Are you trying to go to sleep? We're making icing. I'm gonna give you this sugar. You'll wake right up. I'm gonna give you this sugar and it'll wake you right up. You have to stay awake. We're gonna have cake. We're gonna have cake for breakfast. Cake for breakfast. It's the best day ever.